So, Carmel Ex-Student Association, CESA as it is fondly called, was started way back in 1997. So it actually started out as a very small group of people who just got together and they wanted to be connected and, cherish the bonds that were made while they were still in school.
So, ma'am, we have various categories of activities that we plan: knowledge-based, cultural, interactive. So we have a lot of activities. So if we talk about the cultural activities, we celebrate all the events, all the festivals. We come here in school. We try to celebrate it with the teachers, with the support staff, as ma'am said, with class 4 employees. So we can we Lodi ho gaya, and then Diwali, then the Christmas, Teachers Day, right? Then we have a CESA Sundowner also that we do every year. That's an annual event. We have annual general meet here where we invite all the CESA members, executive, everyone comes to school, and then we have that meeting.
So that's when we interact with the whole teaching staff of Carmel and kind of apprise them about the various new changes or how even student-teacher relationship can be improvised. And
Getting something gives some form of happiness, but giving back, and that maturity will come sooner or later, and giving back to the society or the alma mater where you've received, that gives you that peace and contentment and probably the meaning to life which we are looking for. So I would say that this is CESA is the best platform where you can reconnect and give back to the school from where you've received quite a lot. And connecting with people from different backgrounds and different professions actually helps you grow a lot. Correct. You believe me, rather than just reading medicine, I would not learn so much as I learn from my lawyer friends, my psychologists, my teachers. It helps me grow as a person even at this age.
so do step forward, join CESA, and I'm sure it will be an amazing experience for all of you.
Jai Hind everyone. You all are welcome in Cadet Coffee Times with ANO Preeti Swami. तो दोस्तों, आज का जो हमारा पॉडकास्ट है वो है एक्स स्टूडेंट एसोसिएशन पे। हम अक्सर स्कूल में जब होते हैं तो स्टूडेंट के नाम से जानते हैं, कॉलेज में जाते हैं तो भी स्टूडेंट, लेकिन जब हम पास आउट हो जाते हैं तो वो एक्स स्टूडेंट लग जाता है हमारे नाम के आगे। क्या होता है एक्स स्टूडेंट एसोसिएशन में, कैसे वो बनता है, कैसे हम उसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, ये सारी बातों को लेके आज हमारे साथ बहुत सारे सेसा मेंबर्स आए हैं। सेसा स्टैंड फॉर कार्मल एक्स स्टूडेंट एसोसिएशन। तो वो हमें बताएंगे डिटेल में वो सारी बातें कि किस तरह से हम इसमें जुड़ सकते हैं, क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज़ हम करते हैं, और उसके साथ साथ हम किस तरह से फंड रेजिंग या कम्युनिटी सर्विस के करके आगे हम अपने इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को लेके जाते हैं। इन सभी बातों के लिए आज हमारे साथ जो सेसा मेंबर्स हैं वो सबसे पहले अपना ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे और फिर हम उनसे सारी गुफ्तगू करेंगे। सो वी वेलकम यू ऑल। सो मैम, आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए और बताइए कि कैसे आप जुड़े।
Good morning, everybody. I am Kavita Markanda, popularly known as Mona Markanda. I have been the president of Carmel Ex Student Association. This is my 6th running year, and I already had a stint of 2 years way back in 2013.
Okay.
And I am a lawyer by profession, and this is just to give back to my alma mater some of our good times. And
Very
I pass
true.
it on to Nimrat,
Yes, ma'am.
another senior member.
Yes.
Hello, everybody. I'm a pass out of the 1983 batch from
Yes, ma'am.
Carmel Convent School. And I have been an ex-president of CESA from 2015 to 17. And right now I am assisting Mona in all her presidential duties.
Great, ma'am. Great.
Yes. And I have done my master's in psychology, though I did not really pursue it after that. But I've been involved in healthcare, and I've been running a hospital for over 17 years.
Oh, great.
Yes.
Wow.
Though I did put my psychology to use in that also. Yeah.
Great, ma'am.
And it's great to be a part of CESA, and it's always a pleasure to come back to school again.
Very true, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Juhi.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Juhi Peshawria. I'm a 1991 batch.
Oh.
And I've also served as the president of CESA for 2 years. And now I have been the treasurer since the last 8 years.
Oh.
So I take care of the accounts, handle the banking,
Okay.
taxes, all the
Everything.
Yeah, all the financial matters.
Great.
And of course, we are all together in taking CESA forward.
Good, ma'am. Great. Yes, ma'am.
A very good morning. I'm Dr. Ruzi Olak. I am a pass out of class 10th from Carmel in 1995. I had to shift to, for 11th medical stream as Carmel never had medical stream to begin with.
Okay.
And currently I'm working as a professor in the Department of Pediatrics, which is a child specialist at Government Medical College and Hospital, in short GMCH 32. And my job profile has three main roles. As a healthcare provider, I'm a doctor looking after kids, giving healthcare as well as preventive care to them. As a medical teacher, because there's a medical college attached to us, so I'm teaching the MBBS undergraduates and the postgraduates, the MD students. And as a researcher, I work on a number of diseases, especially in pediatric neurology. And we are publishing papers and books. And I have just completed my MBA in Hospital and Health Systems Management from BITS Pilani, Hyderabad. About to receive the degree this week. And the moment I've finished, I've started with my PhD. I'm doing PhD in Health Professions Education. So continuous learner, I would say, and I try my best to take out time for CESA activities and be present as and when required.
Great achievements, ma'am.
Hello, everybody. I'm Harpriya Singh, and I did my 10th in Carmel in 1998. I left Carmel, and I had to pursue psychology, and like that time, psychology was not being offered in Carmel at that point of time. Currently, I'm working in DAV College, Sector 10, as an assistant professor in psychology. I have 18 years of teaching experience in psychology for UG and PG courses and counseling the students of my college. Along with that, I'm also pursuing my PhD in the field of young adults. That population is very important to understand them. And I've been a CESA member, an executive member for the last 7 years.
Oh, great. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, everyone. My name is Anuradha. I passed out my 12th in 1999.
Okay.
I moved on, and I have around 21 years of experience. I am basically a learning and development consultant. I've moved from the industry to academics after completing my PhD. I'm a Dr. S. Radhakrishnan postdoctoral fellow. And now currently, after working across all institutes like Thapar, Punjab Engineering College, PEC, I'm now moving to University of Fraser Valley and consulting in IT organizations.
ग्रेट 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 वी विल पास ऑन. और देखिए जितने भी हमारे लिसनर्स और व्यूअर्स हैं, स्पेशली स्टूडेंट्स, कि देखिए ये पढ़ाई ना 12th तक नहीं खत्म होने वाली. देखिए यहाँ पे जितने भी हमारे सेसा मेंबर्स आए हैं, उनकी डिग्री क्वालिफिकेशन अभी तक चल रही है.
Hi everyone, good morning. I am Dr. Anupreet. I've done my PhD in psychology and I've been associated with CESA for the past 12 years. I'm also the Vice President of CESA and it gives me immense pleasure to now be working at Carmel Convent School as the PGT teacher and the counselor. So I really feel happy that I can be the link between the school and my alumni organization. Thank you so much.
वेरी ट्रू मैम, वेरी ट्रू. यस.
Hi everyone, I'm Kaneka. I passed out in 2015 from Carmel. Currently, I'm a counseling psychologist and a career counselor, and I'm practicing with Fortis Hospital, Mohali. And I'm been associated with CESA approx 11 years now, and I love working with CESA. It's my second family after school, so it's very enjoyable working with them.
Yes.
Thank you.
यस मैम.
Good morning, everybody.
या.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Nidhi Bhardwaj. I did my 10th from Carmel in 2002. I'm a computer engineer by profession, by education, and I'm an interior stylist by profession now.
Okay.
So I changed my stream a few
Okay.
years back, and
Okay.
I'm an interior stylist now.
Okay.
So I've been associated with CESA for the past 5 or 6 years, and currently I'm in the executive team, and I handle the website, and that's it. How we go forward.
ओके मैम, आते हैं आपके पास दोबारा
Yes,
से.
yes,
सबसे
please.
पहले हम मोना मैम से पूछना चाहेंगे, मैम व्हाट इज द हिस्ट्री बिहाइंड दिस, हाउ इट स्टार्टेड, कैसे शुरू हुआ
I
सारा का
think
सारा.
Nimrat will be.
ओके, निमृत मैम. यस.
So Carmel Ex-Student Association, CESA as it is fondly called, was started way back in 1997
ओके.
by a group of dedicated alumni led by the founder president of CESA, that's Mrs. Neeti Sareen.
ओके.
Yeah, so it actually started out as a very small group of people who just got together and they wanted to be connected and, cherish the bonds that were made while they were still in school.
ओके.
But over the years, now it has grown to over 1,200 member
Wow.
globally connected network of people.
Okay.
So CESA, the evolution of CESA has been marked by its expanding scope of activities and increasing impact that it has had on both the alumni community and the society at large.
Okay.
And we're still striving, and it's our endeavor to pay back not only to the school but to the entire community in whatever way possible we can.
Okay. Ma'am, I just wanted to know what are the roles you play as a association, like alumni association. So what are the different roles we do or take part in it?
The
In
activities.
CESA. Yeah.
Basically, we try to have an activity every month.
Okay.
So this involves our association, our involvement with the school,
Okay.
with the staff of the school, then with the class 4 employees of the school.
Okay.
And we have fun activities as well amongst the members also,
Okay.
and which are virtual, or we have physical interactions.
Okay.
that
So anything related to community service or charity, is CESA doing something related
Yes, so we have a remarkable journey with eye care project, I would say. It's
Okay.
a charity there
Okay.
with Nihil, our co-member. And we both went for the first class in June 2018. There are some privileged, underprivileged girls who are coming there. It's
Okay.
a extra class. We go there on every Friday
Okay.
in every month, and we go there. We teach them on different topics. We give them value things, and we teach them about values, about some important aspects of life related to career, related to health. And it has been going till now, and it's a very wonderful project. We go with to them, and we celebrate their birthdays, we celebrate special occasions with them. Additionally, we are also associated with
Okay.
Sahayata NGO.
Okay.
It's our co-member project only, so we are associated with them. We do cancer walkathon every year in October.
Okay.
So we are associated with them also. So
And this IK project is in which colony?
in Bapudham Colony, it's
Okay,
in
Bapudham.
Sector 26.
So
We have a
do we get-
special building there,
Okay.
which was made
Okay.
in 2018, I suppose.
Okay.
And our principal only
Okay. She
inaugurated
was the-
it.
like you went along with
Yes.
principal and
Yes,
started this
she only
project.
inaugurated
So we
it.
get the turns in that. How you go about? Like there are so
Yes.
many members. So how you coordinate with all
Yes,
those
so
things?
every month we decide whosoever is going. Like sometimes I am going,
Okay.
I'm a psychologist, so I say on career counseling,
Okay.
I help them with that.
Mm.
So next month maybe a doctor will go, they will tell them about the hygiene, about hygiene process. Some another month will go, a makeup artist will go, will tell them about the
Wow.
skincare.
Okay.
So related to that, we have many courses we have done with them.
And we have resource
We ha-
persons also, so many.
Yes, we have done dance
Yeah.
workshops with
Okay,
them.
great.
We have celebrated their birthdays every month,
Okay,
yoga
okay,
classes.
birthday, yoga
There were
class.
many.
I, art and craft.
Art and
yes,
craft.
why not? Yeah. So I just wanted to ask
Cooking
anyone
class
of
as
you-
well. We baked
one?
with them. Cooking class.
Cooking classes.
Yes.
Wow, so many options, huh? But I just wanted to ask, what is that passion? Why we want to give it back to the community? Why we are already doing so much? Like you all are into different profession, and in your areas only, you must be doing something for the community. So why connecting together and doing?
Ma'am, being a student of missionary school,
Yes.
these values was instilled in us.
Very
that,
true.
You know,
Yes.
that we must do something for those who are not so fortunate ones.
Yes.
We all are
Yes.
working women, but still we take out time. I guess everyone is working here.
Yeah.
We still take out at least half an hour to,
Go
help
in.
out them.
Okay.
Any way we can.
Okay.
This work gives us a very different kind of satisfaction and
Very-
contentment.
Yes, this was. I think this is a question which is coming from the student point of view. Those who want, because the new generation is far ahead. They don't want to do, and they want. What is the purpose behind? So that's why I raised this question before you.
My sister, the principal of school has set a beautiful standard
Yes.
by starting this Langar Seva outside the school.
Okay.
It started many years ago. Because she started it, we all got involved. So every time we have a special occasion in our house, nobody needs to just say anything.
Okay.
We just come, bring our little kheer ka dabba or something,
Very
or
true.
or in a very beautiful manner. Everyone just comes, contributes without even letting anyone know that we've helped. financially, physically, emotionally. I feel we are just there together. And sister, by starting this langar, has done a beautiful. It's a very beautiful initiative.
And the true example is that you all are here today.
Yes.
we try and be a part of
any
it.
special
Yes.
occasion
Any
in our
special
family,
occasion.
and we want to be
Yeah.
there.
I just wanted to ask any one of you can give the answer. What are the challenges you face actually? Because when it is an association
Yeah.
and it is not something like where it should come from within. So what
Yeah.
challenges you face actually?
The biggest challenge is fundraising.
Okay, please, ma'am.
It's in every setup.
Very true. It should
That's
come. It
a-
should come.
so-
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yeah.
practical challenge. So
Yeah.
we try to get sponsorship for the events, and otherwise from membering out class to become a member of the alumni.
Okay, so
Yes,
it
this
can be
is
passed
really
on.
lacking.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
We do not
And
force
it
them.
it
Okay.
is it's helpful in a way that once you are a member of alumni, when you have a child, a girl, a daughter, she will be automatically admitted in the alumni quota.
Okay.
So that's one big advantage. Even if it's not, it's just matter of 500 rupees. And for the EWS students, it's free.
Okay.
So only 500 is nothing in these
So
days.
when the child or the girl is in class 12, then
we
she has to
can
register?
we even say even in 10th when you're leaving the school,
Achha, then also
you can become.
Okay,
So,
that's a good
10th,
option.
11th,
So it's a
12th.
good option for the
Yes.
students, those who are in class
Yes.
10th and thinking of going to some other school, but you still have an option to be a
Any
Carmelite.
EWS, it's
Yeah.
free. Membership
Achha.
is free. Yes.
Okay, and we have some format for
Yes.
this. We fill that form and all that thing
Yeah,
and do
there's
the
form
formalities.
from website you can take.
Okay.
Physical form also you can take. You can
Okay.
pay online. You can pay in cash.
Okay, that's
Yes.
good, ma'am. That's good.
Another challenge we face is that, like she said, that memberships is one challenge that we are facing. The other is that a lot of the younger alumni,
Yes.
they do not come forward as much as we would want them
Okay.
to. So, we feel it's high time they take over things from us, and
Very
I'm
true.
sure they will do activities with much more vigor and enthusiasm than us. I mean, we've done it for so many years.
Yes, why not?
And we would really like them to get involved in this.
Okay.
So, my humble request to all the youngsters that,
To come and associate
please
more.
come forward and take the
Yes, yes.
association ahead.
Very true.
So
Cessa
probably
to
in the
Gen
first
Z.
4-5
Yes.
years, when
Yeah.
when they leave school in the first 4-5 years, it's difficult for them to come back to the association because they're too involved with their studies. Most of them move out of the city to do their higher education. But once they're 25, 27 and they come back to the city, that's when they realize that, this
Okay,
is what we
this is
need
right.
to touch base
Definitely,
again.
huh.
So meet everyone. So
Okay.
that's when they come back. So
Okay.
what we are missing is the 18 to 26 age group.
Okay, that okay,
Yeah. So
okay.
after 26, we again, start feeling that people want to join, reconnect.
So it's a humble request to all the ones who are listening and watching. If you are staying in Chandigarh and you fall in that category, please associate with CESA. You can handle both the things. See, they are the real example in front of you.
So I'm sure you can make
Even if you're not in Chandigarh, you can visit the website cessa.co.in
Yes, and go ahead with it.
and
Yes.
you can see all the activities there.
Okay. I just wanted to ask that how you connect with each other. What is that thing that once in a month or yes, ma'am.
We have meetings fortnightly, and
Okay.
proper we have minutes of meeting are recorded.
Okay.
So even if a member is not present, we can kind of ask them to come online, and so basically we have a proper data maintained
Oh, great.
where all the minutes of meeting are strategized, and accordingly we make the decisions.
Okay.
So it's a proper mutual decision that we execute before any event.
Okay, that's good.
And also, I would like to say to everyone that, we can see inspiring seniors here. And I think
Yes.
all of us, the youngsters, are inspired by our senior members.
Yes.
And today we mark the International Youth Day. So again, I really request each and every Carmelite to be a member of CESA and really, help us in making it more powerful.
That people from different fields, the alumni from different fields who are well settled, come and have an interactive session with the students.
Yes.
And what was really wonderful was that the students were really, I could feel it, that they are relating to what we are trying to tell them. What are the challenges in each profession? Like I'm a medico, so I told them about should they be pursuing a career in medicine or not.
Okay.
So I actually told them that what you know about doctors is from OTT platforms.
Yes.
So that is not the lifestyle we live. So I took them to my it's not like Dr. Romantic or K-drama or, a good doctor, Grey's Anatomy. So I showed them the real scenarios and also showed them that it's not a work schedule. It's not so monotonous. We are living a balanced life. We are enjoying, we are connecting with friends. Here I am working for the alma mater. So everything we are doing in moderation.
Any sort of party thing is also there, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Sesa
So we
nights.
go, yes.
So coming back to connecting with Sesa,
Yeah.
you can always see us on Instagram. We have
Okay.
an Instagram page.
Great.
We have our presence on the Facebook.
Okay.
And every time someone becomes a member,
Okay.
your mobile number is added to our WhatsApp. It's not a group.
Okay.
So your number is added to our mobile. Every
Okay.
time we have an event, any sort of communication that we
communication
need
is
to
there.
know,
Okay.
you will receive a message.
Okay.
It's not a group. You're not joining any group, but you will keep receiving messages through WhatsApp. And you
Okay.
can, in case you have any queries or anything, you can always message
Okay.
us back. So that one particular number
Okay.
is assigned to Sesa.
Okay.
And of course, our website is always there. You can see it on our website. All connections, all communications are through the website.
Once
Also.
you become a member, you get a proper membership number, you get a proper welcome message,
Okay.
and everything will be told to you from that message.
Okay, I just wanted to ask as a beginner, suppose I'm a class 12 beginner, and so in one go, can anybody tell me what all are the activities as well as meetings so that I should have a framework? Okay, this to be done in this way. Okay, I can manage both the things. Any one of you, if you want to just share that how it goes about. Yes.
So, ma'am, we have various categories of activities that we plan:
Okay.
knowledge-based, cultural, interactive. So we have a lot of activities. So if we talk about the cultural activities, we celebrate all the events, all the festivals. We come here in school. We try to celebrate it with the teachers, with the support staff, as ma'am said, with class 4 employees. So we
Okay.
we Lodi ho gaya,
Okay.
and then Diwali, then the Christmas,
I
Teachers
remember
Day,
Christmas also, yeah.
right? Then we have a Sesa Sundowner also that
Okay.
we do every year. That's an annual event. We have
Okay.
annual general meet here
Okay.
where we invite all the Sesa members,
In Carmel.
executive, everyone comes to school, and then we have that meeting.
Okay.
So then when we have certain, these are all the cultural, like then we have a mother and a child sports day also that we
Okay.
organize. So blood donation camps,
Yes.
right? So we have multiple activities. Then Mother's Day celebrations.
Okay.
So treasure hunts.
Oh, great.
Yeah, so we keep organizing all of that. Apart from that, we have various knowledge-based activities also, interactive workshops, and
Yeah.
So
Yes,
many
ma'am.
of us, as since we are faculty from various backgrounds, we've also come and given lectures and talks to teachers training programs
Okay.
here. Anuradha has come, Dr. Rusi
Yes,
has come,
yes,
I
very true.
myself, I've also come
Yes.
as a psychologist. So that's when we interact with the whole teaching staff of Carmel and kind of apprise them about the various new changes or how even student-teacher relationship can be improvised and
Okay.
become better. Like since I'm from psychology background, so I
Yes.
work more on that. So we are also participating in a lot of those activities also.
Okay, great. So before going, ma'am, I just want that everyone should share from their behalf some message for the youngsters, anyone or everyone. You can pass it on. Yes.
I'd like to share, though all of them are psychologists. I'm not from psychology background, but I would say going through the Maslow's hierarchy levels that I firmly believe in. Actually, in initial years, once they're passing out from 10, 12th, they are looking at rewards, recognition, and actually you feel motivated and you feel the kick to do better in life.
Correct.
But as I was telling the youth in the auditorium right now also, they are temporary. They give you happiness that is there. You have achieved something, but getting something gives some form of happiness, but giving back.
Yes.
And that maturity will come sooner or later, and giving back to the society or the alma mater where you've received, that gives you that peace and contentment and probably the meaning to life which we are looking for.
Very
So
true.
I would say that this is Sesa is the best platform where you can reconnect and give back to the school from where you've received quite a lot.
And you feel good na, when you connect. Yes, ma'am.
I feel that there's a balance which needs to be achieved.
Yes.
This generation, the Gen Z generation,
Gen Z,
really needs to understand balance, that
Yeah.
only profession is not important or only studies are not important.
Yes.
So all of us, most of us are married, most of us are mothers, we have our own careers, but still we take out time
Yes.
to come participate and give back to the society or the alma mater. So I think that's also one balance that the youth needs to understand today,
Yes.
how to balance different things in life and not just be hyper focused on one thing.
And it must be when you joined as Sesa, at that time, it must be difficult for you because the first step, but now you're used to it because first everyone has to take that first step. Na?
Yeah,
There's
correct.
a challenge.
Yeah, personally, it obviously, because after so many years you're joining,
Yes.
it becomes a little difficult getting back in touch with your old batchmates.
Yes.
But the family that Sessa is, it wasn't really difficult. The first step is difficult because it's yours.
It was.
Yes.
Because for me, I think they all are very old for me. I am 27-year-old. Then no one from my batch joined CESA.
Okay.
There's
but
no
you are
one.
the example setter for others.
Juhi auntie's daughter is my batch, but no, they are not. So it was quite,
Another thing I would like to say is that
but it was very easy for me.
batchmates. We should not look for our batchmates.
Yes.
They are all friends. Believe me, they are as dear to me as maybe more than my batchmates.
Yes.
Because I don't get to meet them that
Yes.
often, but I meet them. They are my sense of family.
Wow.
My batchmates are CESA members, but in the executive, they are not there. So there are nobody from my batchmate. Only Juhi auntie daughter is there. But they made me feel so comfortable that I feel so warm coming to CESA, and I.
Having you.
Yes. Such a youngster is
No,
wonderful.
I'd also
you
like
have any
to.
problem, you have anything, we're all there. Right?
Yes.
So
We
we are all there for that support.
Yes.
It's wonderful. The family feeling, the fraternity here is awesome.
Yes.
So here I'd also like to mention that the CESA Executive Council is elected every 2 years.
Okay.
Yes, so every 2 years there is a change of
Oh, okay.
a change of the senior executive.
Okay.
And whoever wants to join, you can become a part of the volunteer group first.
Okay.
And
Okay.
there are certain criteria that we have set down, a set number of meetings or activities that you have to be a part of.
Okay.
And then seeing how you're doing, then you can become a member of the executive. And then, of course, you can also become a
Yes.
position holder.
Why not? Why
you
not?
do.
As
Yeah.
the more you put in, the more you rise.
Exactly.
Okay. So thank you
Anu, you
so
wanted to
much.
say
Anyone would like to add up?
I would just like to say that the family of CESA is very welcoming.
Yes.
So we definitely share our joys and sorrows together. So I mean, it'll be your bestest decision to join CESA and help us, and we'll definitely be there for you as well.
Oh wow, great. So thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Message as a teacher again,
Yes.
I'll always say as a learner.
Yes, ma'am.
What I actually feel is that connecting with people from different backgrounds and different professions actually helps you grow a lot.
Correct.
You believe me, rather than just reading medicine, I would not learn so much as I learn from my lawyer friends, my psychologists, my teachers.
right
It
on.
helps me grow as a person even at this age. So I feel that
Okay.
they must make the maximum use out of it.
और अभी आपको पीछे बैंड की आवाज आ रही होगी, सुन रही होगी, आपको वो जील अपने अंदर की जाग रही होगी, but still you want to add up anything? Or?
It used to be so much fun. I
Yes.
was part of the Girl Guides in school.
Oh, great.
And, we used to have activities in school and then go to Sector 17 as part of the parade.
Okay.
15th August and 26th January.
Wow, wow.
In fact, just recently I came across some pictures.
Yes.
I don't think I'll be able to share here.
Okay.
Yeah. Good, really good memories.
Okay.
So I think just a message for everyone, like we have already told you, it's a very enriching experience to be a part of the CESA family. And sometimes in life, you do seek a certain kind of meaning for life. And I think CESA gives you so many opportunities to kind of find that meaning for life, even if it's through seva or it's through bonding or networking or just being there for each other and your old school. So do step forward, join CESA, and I'm sure it will be an amazing experience for all of you.
I want to add a word.
Yes.
Charity is not the only thing we do, we party also. So please come forward, we'll make you party too.
Ma'am, this we call a marketing skills. You
Yes,
just catch
no,
on
we
that.
party too. So please come join us and we'll show you how to party.
Okay.
We have everything for everyone.
See, so this is for all our students, especially from Kamal, that आप देखिए कितना कुछ है सैसा में, तो क्यों नहीं हम पार्ट बने सैसा के, और क्यों ना, चाहे हम 10th के हैं या 12th के हैं, हम इससे एसोसिएट होते हैं, और ये हमारी जो फैमिली है, कामल फैमिली, वो एवरलास्टिंग और हमेशा हमारे साथ रहने वाली है. तो दिस इज अ मैसेज, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड इट पॉडकास्ट स्पेशली फॉर यू, टू जस्ट टू गिव यू द gist of it ki what is CESA. Thank you so much for listening and watching till the end. See you next time in our next podcast. Till then, Jai Hind.